Alright guys, you won't believe what time it is. It's time to ride these beautiful bikes. I almost died 3 times! Alright boys, we just got gas and going to the parking lot, or a parking lot. I'm gonna try out a new one today. Go and get some practice in. I've been able to ride all day. It's like 5 o'clock and I'm finally able to get on this thing for a little bit. So I just want to take like an hour in the lot and get some practice in, do some drills, and then maybe start doing some wheelies. We shall see, we shall see. Let's get on over there though. Going around that speed bump. Yeah. Now, that's for sure. Man, I don't know what it is, bro. I just like riding bikes, bro. Feels like being on this bike is enough to improve my mood. I was kind of down earlier, kind of felt like shit, but now I'm chilling. I'm in a good mood now. So this bike's just so fun. You can just put it wherever you want, and you gotta rev the piss out of it to get anything out of it. It's good. It's the kind of shit I like. There she is. That's the parking lot right there. Hey there, buddy. Hey there, buddy. Well, that's blocked off. That's tragic. It is, yeah, completely blocked off. Suppose I will be finding a different parking lot. That is so tragic. Damn it. I really like the look of that one. Alright, let's go find a different one. That would have been really nice. It would have been perfect. See, and that's what I want. Bro said, do a wheelie. I said, I can't do a wheelie. I think I'm just in a neighborhood right now, bro. I'm so confused. Wait, actually, I might know where I am. I might know where I am. I think I do. Yes, dude, though, that's so goated. I know exactly where I am now. Because one of these houses, my buddy bought a truck from a guy down here. So I was like 90% sure. I was like, actually, I kind of think I know where I am. We're going to go straight right. I lied. That's another school. My whole goal here is just trying to find like a more secluded parking lot. That way nobody gives a f if I do dumb wheelie shit. F that camera. I don't give a f. Thinking, actually, hold on. So that's all blocked off, but like I have plausible deniability in that one. See, this is like what I'm looking for. This shit back here. Oh, that was like 3rd gear. I can tell that was to get started. Maybe that was more like 2nd. But yeah, this right here, this is exactly what I've been looking for. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. You love to see it. A little bit closer than the Patrick Henry Mall parking lot, and that's really what I've been looking for, something just that's closer. Alright, so what we're going to do here, I'm going to spend about 30 minutes doing like actual drills. I'm probably going to spend 30 minutes in getting first gear wheelies down. And yeah, I'm probably going to be doing that for a while, but it's okay, we got this. I think what I want to do is probably like come over here, because what I want to do is get like a tight U-turn and then do like an emergency stop. And then on the way back, I want to do like a slow race. So that's probably what I'm going to try and do here. We're just going to start with the slow race. I've got to find the brake pedal though. I've got to like... I can do it. It's just the staying straight that sucks. And this brake pedal's like right up against my engine. I've got to like take my foot and like move it inward to get at the brake pedal. I might adjust that a little bit. I will say there's kind of a lot of gravel in this parking lot though. Not a fan of that. Alright, then we're going to stop here. Then we're going to make this U-turn. Those 3 parking spaces. I had 2 earlier. Oh yeah, there it is. Alright, so I figured it out. Just I don't need rear brake in the turn. It's on the straight that I need to drag the rear brake. That one was pretty good. I stayed pretty straight, but I was doing 3 the whole time. Alright. Alright, so here, it's just throttle and clutch for this U-turn. See, now I'm getting it between like 2.5, 2. And getting that emergency brake in is good too. Alright, U-turn. I'm doing that thing where I look at the ground. What a goober. What a goober. Because the instant I looked up, the bike just came over. Isn't that f***ing wild, bro? A lot better when you look where you're going instead of at the speedometer, huh? I'm trying to get better about doing that, actually like looking straight when I'm doing this or like looking through the corner. I can do it pretty well on the road, but like in the slow speed stuff, I'm like staring at the ground. I'm like, I don't want to fall, I don't want to fall, I don't want to fall. But it's like, hey, you need to look where you're going. You have to be comfortable with the feeling of the bike leaning over a little bit. So that's kind of what I'm trying to get used to the feeling of the bike being like on its side a little bit and like just looking where I need to go. All right, let me get to the edge here. All right, that was like 2.5 again. They're getting better, but they're still not great. I need to get some cones so I have like an actual area to stop in. Also, I should probably go a little bit further down just so I have more room to actually get up to speed. Let me get in line with the fucking... Right about here on the outside. Okay, that was horrible. That was bad. Alright, more throttle. Oh, this one's like a fucking... Oh, slope. Oh, that's terrible. That was weird. That last little bit's a little bit of a slope, so it adds a little bit of extra difficulty. So I don't think I mentioned it earlier. I'm using a new like camera mount. I ordered a chin mount. So I hope this is good. I kind of looked at it while I was like getting gas earlier, and it looked like it was a good enough POV, so. Okay, alright. What the fuck am I doing? Alright, let's see if I get it this time. That was horrible. We're going back. Hell yeah, bro. They're getting better. Like, that's improvement. I used to be like just three all the time. So that's some improvement. I'll take it. It's not smooth, but it's better. So, all right. Bro, was that just 2? That was just 2. Let's go. Yeah, that was way too much throttle. There we go. Oh yeah, and that was 2. Let's go. Let's go. We're getting it. We're getting better, boys. Yeah. Dude, that's actually like, that's an achievement right there. I struggled getting there for so long. I struggled to get to 2 for so long. You don't understand. It's been months. It's okay, we got there. Now we gotta keep going. We gotta do it again. First slow race. All right, we lost it. I'm not gonna lie, we lost it. Had to put her down. Darn clearance. That was goated. That was almost 2. That was really close to 2. I want to do one more round, and then I'm going to start doing fucking retard shit. I almost stalled it on that one. Oh, I locked up the front tire on that one. I guess this thing doesn't have ABS. I never thought about that. That's okay. I know where the limit is now, though. All right, then one more U-turn, one more slow race, and then I'm going to start doing retards. All right, and then U-turn time. Hopefully this one's better. That's too much throttle. Okay, that was 3. All right, boys, we did it 2 times in a row. I'm gonna skip the emergency stops for now, cause like, I don't know, those are kind of weird without a reference. All right, there it is. Okay, all right. All right, we're doing the wheelie now because I keep f***ing those U-turns up. Oh, fuck, I stalled it. What a goober. Starting to figure this bike out. I think this bike needs a new clutch too, low-key, because it's like, if I have it on a lot of throttle and I let the clutch out, like I let it out, it still takes a second to rev up, right? Like if I were to, because like this has a 13-tooth front sprocket, which is a tooth less than normal, so it should be a little bit more torquey. Like I should be able to just pick this up with first gear, and I can't. Yeah, okay. It don't wanna. All right, I'm gonna go home then. Tee-hee. Basically, all my bikes have problems. Sick, dude. Boo, stoplight, boo. I wish it was green. Boo. Let me go, please, boo. Do I take the short way or the long way home? I think I'll take a long way home for you boys. Maybe you guys get more video, more footage. Do I just like get my own lane? That's goated. I'm already at 6. I don't believe it. highway speeds on the 250. I always forget how much the wind gets you on this bike. Yeah, dude, I heard the clutch slip when I banged on the throttle just then. This thing definitely needs a new clutch. It's going out, at least. The f*** is that? Oh, that yeah, that checks out. In Beamer moment. I think that's a Beamer. I can't really tell. The sun's on my eyes. But it looks like it is. So it has to be. It also sounds like one. So it has to be. I also need to adjust this shifter lever. It's a little high. Like, I have to, like, full flex my foot to make sure I'm not accidentally on it so I can downshift again. Oh, God. I keep saying it, man, but I just love riding my goddamn bike! It's alright. Alright, well, you guys know the drill. I've done it here before. You know what to do if you like the video. Like that. If you didn't like it, do the thing, bro. Hit that dislike button. You know you want to, you hater, you. But if not, you know, you can also hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. You know, you could turn on notifications. Let me stop being coy. Actually, you will smash that subscribe button so you see more. You will hit those notifications buttons so that you can get notified of the next video, alright? Do it. Do it now. Damn. But yeah, anyways, that's the end of the video. Peace, guys.